Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a OnePlus 9 with a cracked display. It looks awesome at the back. So let's get right into it. First thing we're going to do is try to remove this plastic film. It's not anymore needed because we're going to remove this broken display and replace it with a new one. We're going to remove the back cover. I like the sketches on the back cover. I think that's a custom one. I like it. We're going to remove it very careful not to damage the back cover. I'm going to slice through the adhesive. We're going to take our time. It's made out of glass, very stiff. There you go. We're going to put that to the side and unscrew everything that's holding on to the cover for the main board, the battery, and the daughter board. I'm going to detach the connectors, and I think the connector for the display is found on the daughter board, so we'll focus our attention on this corner here. And this is our replacement display. We're going to test it. We're going to connect it to the connector on the daughter board and try to turn it on. Very nice. It's turning on. We'll see if it boot loops or some issues with the boot sequence. So far so good. It's moving on. There you have it. We can show you the passcode, of course. We'll test if the touchscreen is working. So far so good. I'm gonna remove that plastic. Look at that brand new display. Testing the camera, David already messing up with the faces. That's good news actually. And you can properly shut down the device, which is nice. I'm gonna detach the display for now. I'm gonna focus attention now on the removal of the display. So you have the one connector for the display on the corner, so we'll take that in mind when we pull the broken display off the housing. Make sure we don't force anything. I'm going to use this plastic shim. I'm going to try to agitate the adhesive with some IPA. Use this plastic shim. Make our way around. Also use this spatula, mini spatula, to rub off the adhesive. It's quite strong actually. We'll lift this up. Final side. Let's go. Minimal effort. Prep the housing now for the new display. I'm gonna try to reuse the adhesives. We have some adhesive strips here. We're gonna try to clean this up properly before we install the display. Also gonna file off the damage around the corner here and put our liquid glue. I'm gonna put sufficient amount around the housing. And then put it back down, and let's install the display now. I'm just gonna align it and push it down. That's it. We're just gonna close everything up. We're gonna connect the antenna cables, the battery, the daughter board, and close it up, test it, and give it back to the client. So if you have a OnePlus 9 that needs a new display or new battery, you can call Sydney CBD Repair Centre. You can visit us or leave us a comment down below. Also message us through Instagram, Facebook, and Google, of course. You can find us on Google Maps. Just search for Sydney CBD Repair Centre and you'll find us there. Just gonna screw this back in and finalize the repair. I'm also gonna put the adhesive on the back cover. I'm gonna clean off the camera glass, that gorgeous back cover, and attach it back in. So that's it. This OnePlus 9 is fixed. So thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.